Hey, Emma. Emma, what is that? Yeah, what is that? What is it? No. What? What is that? What? What is that? Why do you do that for? What is that? That's a pad. Hey. What? What are you doing? What'd you do that for? Oh. Hey! Give me that. Give me that. Give it. If you don't give it to me, I'm going to stick it on your face. No. I'm going to stick it on your face. Give it to me. No, turn it upside down. And then put it on your head. Put it on your head. Other way, like this. There you go.